Okay, it's time. Good afternoon, everybody. Thank you all for being here and welcome. Please welcome to the stage our CEO, Europe and Latin America, Costas Voussas. Welcome, Costas, to TV Live.
Thank you.
When we first introduced Ambilight TV, some people call it a gimmick. Here we are, 20 years later, it seems that it's more popular than ever. What do you think is that?
Well, I think Ambilight is like a bit like football, There will always be people who just don't get it. But most people love it, and some people are even passionate about it. And I think over the years, Ambilight has endured for the simple reason that people don't think of it as just a feature. They think of it as something altogether different than a normal TV. But we are still the original, and we are still the best, and the only integrated solution out there. So the only one that works straight out of the box. You don't have to put wires or setup or tapes or cameras. Just switch it on, and it's just the magic of Ambilight and watch TV.
And this year we are introducing Ambilight Plus.
That is right.
And this I need to read this, guys, because my lack of technical knowledge. But I hear there's an extra row of LEDs to the back of the TV with 196 individually controlled lighting zones.
I'm glad you had to say that. So yes, and of course what it means to all of us is that it is more accurate, it is more colorful glow, and it amplifies much better of what's happening on the screen.
And I think another highlight this year is the refresh rate upgrade for gamers.
That's right. So far we had up to 120 Hertz, and for a while that's okay for console gamers. And of course you have the super gamers. I understand they will go for a different solution, but we also want our Ambilight TV lovers to go and for PC gamers. So we introduced basically all our Ambilight TVs now at 144 Hertz.
But that's not all. We also have big news on our operating system.
Well, that's something we've been working on for a while, yes. Last year we entered into a strategic partnership with Titan OS, which is an independent operating system, especially built for European and Latin America consumers.
So today we are announcing 2 new OLED Plus models. But before we get to them, I would like to take you back to 2018, when we launched the 903. This was the very first OLED, Philips OLED, Ambilight TV, to have Bowers & Wilkins sound. Every year since then, we've been working with Bowers to push the boundaries of what's possible. Bringing us to today, where we celebrate the launch of our 10th OLED Plus Ambilight TV. Now to this year's OLED Plus models. As I mentioned earlier, we have 2 of them. Our new flagship, the OLED Plus 909, but we also have a limited edition model, the OLED Plus 959. Costas, what can you tell us?
Well, as always, and as Dave mentioned, the OLED Plus is for those who want the best of the best. So from the technology inside to the materials and the finish on the outside, they all represent the pinnacle of what's possible today. And we're really excited, of course, to show you today, especially the OLED Plus 959.
Shall we take a look?
Yeah, let's take a look.
Beautiful. I'm not sure if I'm getting one from my 10th year anniversary at TP Vision, but what can you tell us about this limited edition OLED Plus 959?
Well, you can also, obviously, for those of you who actually understand those, you can see the specs on the screen, but the OLED Plus 959 is, of course, our first Ambilight TV that incorporates Ambilight Plus. And it also features, obviously, a new system from Bowers & Wilkins, 5.1.2. And the sound is really incredible from that thing. I think we really had a hard time to get that over the line, Dave, right?
As always, but well worth it. I can't wait to hear it in production.
Absolutely. So we have 144 Hertz. We have Matter connectivity. Let's not forget a new operating system for Europe and Latin America consumers. big moves in soundbar, speakers, sports headphones, new ambassadors, new friends, new partners. Yeah, I think we will be busy.
Now, thanks, Costas. And special thanks for all of you who joined this event online. From me, from Costas, from the whole TP Vision team, is goodbye for now. See you very soon.